Happy Independence Day for you all. I'm Dror, and this is my guide dog Nero. Israel got the independence 72 years ago, and I got my independence 10 years ago when I got my first guide dog, Lynn. Thank you all, and see you on the street and around the world with my guide dog, Nero.
Shalom everyone, I'm Bracha Ben Avraham. This is my new guide dog Bardo that I received at the course in February, right before the corona crisis began. And we've been at home on my moshav and being as independent as we can be under the circumstances. Luckily we can get outside and walk, and Bardo and I have been bonding. Ever since I've had a guide dog, and that's been now for 11 years already, I've felt the great independence that my three guide dogs, Suki and Dinka and Bardo, have given me.
I want to thank to the Israeli Guide Dog Center in Beth Oved and his wonderful crew for giving me my independence, for giving me my best friend, a well-trained guide dog that giving me the ability to be independent. Wishing we all happy Independence Day and all the best. Thank you.
Because of the corona, we know just now that we are going to sit also in the Independence Day at home, only the three of us, Zita, Mickey and I. But I would like to praise Zita. She's doing a wonderful job on those days. She lets me together with her I can go every day and have my walk, and I have my independence because of her.